And I don't want, because of the talk that was here the other day, those are small things. Some of us are too busy to get involved into trivial discussions. People get excited and talk many things. I want to say the president and I are very happy with the people of Murang'a because you have given us two leaders in our government. Professor Ndung'u ambaye anatoka hapa Murang'a ndio amesaidia President William Ruto to turn around this economy. Mpigie makofi. And we are very proud of our CS National Treasury. Huyu mrembo huyu, Alice Muthoni Wahome, Gathaya Ruriri. This girl is doing a wonderful job. Ona ndiramu ciajiri ele twaru ndiramu itanya wira. Tondu ndathie kundu ndiramu korekerete buti akiruta wira. Program witu yothe affordable housing, Alice Wahome is doing it with a lot of efficiency. Mambo ya title deed, mambo ya registry hata hapa ya Murang'a tulikubaliana kulikuwa na ukora akuje arekebishe. Jana alikuwa thika. CS Alice Wahome, the president and I are very proud of you. And I want to tell the people of Murang'a, we really appreciate the caliber of the ministers you have given us in our government. And generally the people of Murang'a are hardworking people. And I don't want anybody in this region wawekee lahamu hatu ya Murang'a because of utterances of a leader or two. These people are hardworking. They do business in Nairobi. Nairobi yote ndio wako huko. We have people who have founded banks. This is a county of great potential. And we are very happy with the people of this great county and will continue. We'll be with the president back here again on Thursday. Tutakuwa pande ya Gatanga, tutakuwa pande ya Kangema, tukija kwa mambo ya maendeleo. And I want to say nikimalizia, I have a responsibility myself to help the president to keep our backyard united. When there was a problem in Kericho, nilikibia huko, nikamaliza. Kukiwa president shida Meru, nikakibia huko, nikamaliza, ikatokea tena. Kukiwa problem Kiambu, nikakibia, nikanyorosha. Juzi Nakuru nilikuwa nimewaita. Hata Senator nimeshangaa unasema iko shida. Sisi tumeongea, tumekubaliana. We have agreed what to do. Because the president is busy. As his principal assistant, I must also help him to manage politics by keeping his backyard united. Ndio tukichunga yetu, tuendelee kutafuta Wakenya wengine wakuje waungane na sisi. And that is why I must make sure our backyard, the Rift Valley, stays united. Our backyard, the Mount Kenya region, stays united. And more so, the people from this region. As we do, there is somebody who will say, be careful in whatever you do. It is good to have a dream, and all dreams are valid. And I encourage all leaders to have ambition and to pursue the ambitions. But we just do so carefully so that we don't create a problem where there is none. This region has come from a bad history of division. And when we were divided, we always found ourselves out of government. In the year 1992, most of our young leaders here were not born, others were toddlers. They may not know. But we'll tell them when we get an opportunity. Through confusion, the people of this great county fronted Kenneth Matiba. The people of Murang'a and Kiambu and part of Nairobi supported him. The people of Nyeri fronted Mwai Kibaki. The people of Nyeri, Nyandarua, Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Laikipia supported him. Zote tukaanguka, moja akapitia katikati. We did not learn our lessons. In 1997, tukasemama. The same thing ikafanyika. Watu ya Kiambu sasa wakatoka kwa Matiba, wakaenda kwa Kibaki, na watu ya Nyeri, watu ya Murang'a wakaenda kwa Charity Ngilu. Tukaanguka. In 2002, we learned our lessons. We learned our lessons. All of us, na sisi tulikuwa tumeleta Uhuru pale. And it was a very good strategy. Tukajua tukileta Uhuru na Kibaki, hata ukianguka moja yule mwingine anapata. But the people are ahead of us. The whole of this region and the country voted for Mwai Kibaki. Since then, we vote in one block. Even 2013 watu ya Murang'a wakasimamisha Peter Kenneth. Akaambiwa na watu kwa mtandao utapita, tunaweza make. Siku ya kura yote kwa Mwai Kibaki ya kwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Si mnakumbuka? And he was from here. Let me please appeal to our leaders, especially from this region. As your leader, as your father figure, please let us do everything to unite our people. Our unity is our strength. Our unity is our relevance in the national political discourse. Let us unite our people. Never again should a leader from this region isolate people of Murang'a, of Kiambu, of Nyeri, of wherever. That talk is retrogressive. It is not good for this region. We are one people. Let us all talk one language. And within that unity, whoever wants to lead, you come. Lakini kwa hiyo unity, wewe ukuje kwa hiyo uongozi useme unataka kiti gani. Wananchi waangalie, wakupatie ama wakunyime. Lakini kusema watu ya Nyeri, watu ya Kiambu, watu ya Murang'a, watu ya Embu, please let us not go there. Because hata mkiongea, nikisikiza hawa raia, hawezi kubali kwenda hiyo maneno. And Peter Kenneth knows. He came from here, hakuna kura alipata because people had decided the way they want to vote. So let us be united. And again and finally, this is not the time. We have just come from elections. I think it's insensitive to talk to the people of Kenya about elections, to talk about 2027. It is even crazy to talk about 2032 when people have just come from elections. Mureda wira kana mureda siasa? Mureda kurutira wira kana mureda kugayana ite? Ke iturutire andu wira. No hindi turathurirwo wira tutire turahinyia ni mawira maingi muno matarutitwo twi mawira maingi muno tweranire reke iturutire andu aitu wira. But I myself, I'll continue assisting our young leaders, hao vijana wote ni vijana wangu. Na nitaendelea kuwasaidia tukiwa na rais na tutawalea. And I want to say, nikiwa hapa mlimani, in my own naivety, nimesema mimi si mwerevu sana na si mjinga. And I want to assure you, when my time comes, I will not leave you where Uhuru Kenyatta left us. Bila viongozi. I will not. I know what we need to do. We'll nurture leaders, but carefully and intelligently. Slowly, pole pole, we'll nurture them so that when the time comes, because we are growing old, day by day, a time will come, we need to exit, we'll have prepared enough leaders and yourself can choose among them. Yule munaona anaweza kumuongoza. Tutiga nyumba ino itu uria turatigirwo ni Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Tondu aratutigire tutari mutongoria turehagirwo oguo ndirakunuka ta ikuno handu oguo. Katiguo. Ithe tukuhaga turahagire oguo. No ndatuhariirie. Ndendaga kuigua mundu urokira gakoya kibui. Ni ucio wira ndingeruta. Wira wakwa ni kurora anake aya othe aitu na iretu aya ni tuguikara thi kahora tunyitane na atongoria a Liswa Home aya ni atene tukainuka nao tuikare thi turore tukainuka na haria mbere kaida gakinya niguo nduguikara thi katiguo andu aitu ni mukwenda turere ciana citu tucierore kahora ka tucihanyukie kahora tiguo pole and carefully, but let us never divide the people on county lines. Tutakuwa tumepotea kama jamii. Eule mwena besha? Aya wapi chondo?